Hey guys! Welcome back to Alicia TV. For today, I'm going to review and try out Rihanna's Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r Foundation. So, I know lahat kayo nakatry na nito and sobrang dami ng reviews. I know. I'm late. I'm so late. I'm so sorry. Ngayon, kasi ako, first time ko pa rin ito matatry. So, at least, I just want to try it and gusto ko lang i-film and review. So, for my makeup for today. So, parang, okay, mag-vlog na tayo. So, this is what it looks like. So, yeah, it's 32 ml. It's 1,950 pesos. And what makes it special is that 40 shades ang meron. So, feel ko, mahanap mo talaga yung shade mo. Kasi, yun talaga yung pinaka-problema ng lahat ngayon. Kasi, diba, walang shade. Yung iba, papaghaluin pa. So, you have to buy 2. This is neutral medium. This is in shade 210. So, yeah, magbabasa lang ako ng facts and yung mga claims niya. So, what it is, a soft matte, long-wearing foundation with buildable medium to full coverage in a range of 40 shades. Instantly smooth, pore diffused, shine-free finish that easily builds to your ideal coverage. So, this is oil-free. And lightest air texture is undetectable on skin. So, dapat, kahit medium to full coverage siya, very natural pa rin and lightweight. Okay, so ang gagawin ko, this side of my face, I'm going to use my beauty blender. And then this side, my Morphe M439. This is my foundation brush talaga. So, yeah, let's start! Okay. Yan. Hindi siya watery, first of all, first impression. Parang pumati na tong foundation na to. Pero, hindi naman siya... Feel ko sa camera lang. Pero, in person, okay naman. Okay, first impression. Full coverage for me. Pero parang ang dry niya. Okay. So, it's dry. Parang, ayan o, parang hindi mo na siya kailangan iset. Okay? Other side of my face, I'm going to use my brush. So, even if brush yung ginagamit ko, I still bounce it. My God! Nagkakapatches ako, as in. Zoom natin para makita nyo. It's so dry. Eh, dry kasi yung skin ko in general. So, like, ayoko ng mga dry foundation. So, yeah, ayan o, nagkaka-dry patches. So, ayaw ma-blend. Oh my God! This is what it looks like close up. So, beauty blender. Brush. Okay, so I will just finish my makeup off cam and then I'll get back to you guys and say my final thoughts. I-analyze ko muna yung review ko and yung mga na-feel ko. Okay. First of all, what I realized is sobrang dry niya. As in, it's not meant for girls or guys or anyone na may dry skin. Ako kasi, sobrang dry ng skin ko. As in ngayon, nakikita ko yung pagka-dry niya na chop na siya. I feel like this foundation is not for me. Ganong level. But coverage-wise, okay naman siya. As in, medium to full coverage, okay siya. So, for me, feel ko magagamit ko pa rin naman to. I just need to use like a lot of setting spray. So, sobrang dami kong spray ngayon para lang ma-absorb siya ng skin ko and para hindi ako mukhang super cakey and dry. So, yun lang talaga yung naging problema sa akin. Feel ko, this is good for oily skin. So, most Filipinas naman, sa pagkakaalam ko, is medyo may oily skin. So, I feel like okay to for you guys. Anyway, i-share ko lang. This is my everyday foundation. This is Wet n Wild. So, sa mga dry skin dyan, I feel like this is good or better for you. So, ito, drugstore lang to. As in, siguro mga 500 or less lang to. So, ito, 1,950. So, like, medyo malaking difference sila. So, I'd suggest na Wet n Wild ka na lang na photo focus foundation instead of this one. If I'm going to rate it, I feel like i-rate ko siya ng 7 or 8 out of 10. Kasi, for me, sobrang dami pang mas cheap drugstore foundation na lumelevel sa formula niya. So, okay to kasi sobrang daming shades and stuff. But like, the formula, it's nothing special. As in, ang nako-compare ko dito, Milani foundation ko. Yun, full coverage yun, pero hindi yun drying. Ito, full coverage nga, pero sobrang drying. Ang nako-compare ko rin dito is L'Oreal. Yung, I'm just gonna put it here. So, yeah. Sana i-elaborate nila dun sa Sephora or like dun sa product description niya na it is better for oily skin. So, yun lang. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what you think. And I hope to see you guys soon.